Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox a Nokia G20 smartphone. Display size 6.5 inch, rear cameras 48 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP, front camera 8 MP, RAM 4 GB, resolution 1600 into 720, internal storage 128 GB or 64 GB, operating system Android 11, fingerprint sensor, side fingerprint sensor, battery capacity 5050 mAh. Let's take the phone out, and here is our Nokia G20, 48 MP quad camera, 6.5 inch display, 3-day battery life. Let's see what else is there in the box. The product and safety info and other pamphlets. We get the phone cover while buying the phone. Let's put the phone into the phone cover. We've got a charger adapter. This is our earphone, and this is our cable. Let me take a quick tour. The quadruple camera, the LED flashlight. It has a blue body. It has a matte finish. This is the charging port, the speaker, the headphone jack, and the mic. This is the Google Assistant activator, the SIM tray, the volume adjust button, This is the volume adjust button, the power on button with fingerprint sensor. The phone also has other sensors like gyroscope, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and many more.